There's one. There's one. Oh, that's a nice crappie. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Ocean Fishing. Today we just got a good cold front coming in. It's kind of cool. The crappie should be out maybe in the deeper. It's about 4 feet all the way across, so it's the same. We're gonna try to get some jigs and throw it out right there. So make sure to stay tuned. First cast right here. Throw it right there. Gotta work it slow because it's really cold. Gotta put some of this stuff on there. Stuff works pretty good. There's lots of small ones in here, just they're crazy, they're everywhere in here. Hopefully they're biting today. There's one. There we go, first crappie of the day. Didn't even fight. Crushed it. Get this guy unhooked. There we go. There he is. Let's release him. There he goes. Let's catch another one. Whew, that's cold. Missed him. Throw over here. There's one. Little baby crappie right there. That's a small one. Little bitty crappie. Probably a good 4 inches right there. They're more over here, I think. What's up, everybody? We're back out here today. See if we can catch some crappie. Today is a perfect day to fish. Barely even windy. Very sunny. Those crappie should be out today. I think I might throw this one today. This lure right here. Seems like a pretty sunny day. Look at that baby turtle. Y'all see him? He's just tanning. What the heck? He's just tanning right there. Oh, he's in bad shape. No wonder he didn't run. Little bitty one. I think that's just moss. Set you right there. I just threw back a good sized crappie. I don't think my camera recorded at all. But I just caught him. He was probably about a good 7 inches again. Just threw him back. It was a nice one. I really wish my camera recorded. Putting this spoon on now. There's one. Oh, that's a nice crappie right there on the spoon. There he is. Choked it. Just moved over here. See if we can get a crappie over here. Let's get it in this tunnel. Oh, there we go. That's a good one. I don't think it's high enough to get one. We didn't catch much at all today, but I hope y'all guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications so I'll be notified when I upload a new video. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.